guys, good morning. It's morning time and it's Monday, so of course we're going to work. What? I'm gonna just come out of the way. It's now 8:06 in the morning, guys. I didn't get to read my devotional, so I'm just gonna take one verse from it, because guys, I'm not a Christian or anything, but I've just been getting the urge to read the Bible more and study the Bible more and all that, go to church, everything. So guys, I'm just gonna quickly let's read the verse, and then when I reach work, because I'm heading to work. It's Monday, July 1st, first of the month, so I have staff meeting this morning and stuff. I'm not gonna show you much when I'm at work, but you know, the verse for today is, speaking the truth in love, we will grow to become in every respect the mature body of him who is the head, that is Christ. Ephesians 4 verse 15. And the questions for today, the reflection is, who do you serve to please? How might God's higher presence direct your words? The prayer is, dear God, I want to please you by speaking the truth in love to my brothers and sisters. And guys, I'm reading from Our Daily Bread. I just downloaded the app. It's free, and that is my devotional. Yeah, so I'm gonna head to work. Won't be able to show you guys because I still don't got a tripod, but it's coming. I ordered one last night on Amazon. But yeah guys, stick with your girl, okay? Let me just put on some gospel. I'm trying to cut out a lot of the secular music. I still listen to it, of course, but everything in stages and moderation, okay? Yeah. So yeah, I'm heading to work. It's now 8:10. I don't live really far from work, but I do believe I'll be at work like 8:25 or so. I'll check in and tell you guys what time I got here, okay? Alright guys, hold on. Alright guys, I made it safe to work. It is now 8:21, so I'm early. So I'm just gonna chat with you for a while. Guys, I know me not even come and tell you say my birthday or nothing. I did start to make a vlog. However, I decided last minute that I started to make a vlog. I started to make a vlog, and but they're going to go do the maintenance and all of that, and it ended up that I didn't. But I went to Mystic Thai for my birthday. I had sushi and it was so good, and that's what I've wanted to do for a very long time. I'm still wearing my birthday nails. One fell off. I have it. Yeah, I have it in here, so if I can see that. But yeah, it's been a rough few months. I am on the greener side, the better side of everything. You know, life rough, it hard, but we're pulling through. Guys, I didn't even show you guys what I took for lunch, because I may not come back, because you know, it's work, and you guys know I work a 9 to 5 corporate girly. I don't really like to. So I have a salad, if you guys can see, and it has pasta, chicken, cucumbers, tomatoes, carrots, string beans, eggs. What am I missing? Lettuce. That's romaine and iceberg, because I like both of them, so I mix them. Yeah, and Irish potato. Yeah, and that's gonna be my lunch for today. I've been having salads for lunch every single day for a week now, and guys, I've lost 5 pounds. So you know, it's not official that's a weight loss journey. I'm also not exercising just by eating salads. I eat regular food for breakfast, regular food for dinner, which is not the healthiest sometimes, but salads for lunch since last week Monday, and today's Monday. I did over the weekend while I was at home too, so it's not just for when I'm at work, and it's working, so I'm not stopping. Not right now. Sorry guys, not right now. Guys, how are y'all though? tell me in the comment section. I don't like that you guys are not interacting with the post anymore. Guys, if you know want me to stay for good, you have to do the work. You have to do your part. So subscribe, like, comment, share, tell a friend, turn on the post notifications so you can be notified every time I post. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at, can't you say this shy again because I have a new TikTok. Guys, I got TikTok shop in Jamaica. So hype, my 10 hype right now. Yeah, but guys, how are y'all doing? Oh no, been a text me on Instagram and I ask, how's the driving going? The driving's going good. Girl I drive, girl I angle the driving. Man I ask, the driving not angle me I angle the driving. Man I ask, you know, me I angle the driving. Don't half a tree road I did afraid I would taxi them. Yeah man, angle triangle. Yeah guys, but driving is going so good. I love it. I love the independence. I love being able to, you know, go where I want, when I want, coming off worry. It's just, I love it. I'm not ask, I love it. Yeah, but I'ma head into work now and I'll catch you guys later. Who's emailing me? Yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys later. It's 8:25 now. Gonna walk into work 5 minutes early, and I'll catch you guys later. Maybe if I have lunch in my car. Guys, I have like a social anxiety. Like, my job knows that I do YouTube and whatever, my manager knows and everything, but I have social anxiety. I don't want to do that in front of them, you know. Yeah, so I'm gonna head into work. Guys, have a good day. You know, we did our devotional, which we never really do the devotional, so now we have to go try to do it at lunch or something, because you know it's very important that we take in the word, you know. Like, I haven't resumed going to church yet, but I'm doing a lot of prep work and I can tell there's a change in me. I'm so much calmer, so much more assertive, so much more, you know, I can feel God working in my life. And guys, as I say, I'm gonna start go church yet. I'm gonna study the word by myself, read my little Bible, read my little quarterly, because you guys know I'm Seventh-day Adventist. Read my little quarterly, read our daily bread, read my Bible, and me fix up, me do the prep work for all that side. As it relates to fitness, I do want to go to the gym, but like guys, I have anxiety and I know that if I'm waiting on someone to start with me, I'll wait forever. But I'm just mustering up the courage. Actually, I'm also buying my gym clothes. I need a gym shoes. I need to get that. Let me turn off the car because my day I chat and I 1 more minute for 8:30, and look how long I come here. 5 minutes now and say me I go in. I'm gonna reach in all no. Anyways guys, going in to work. I have a like 2-minute walk because they make me park far. But I'm gonna see you guys later. The skin is really skinning. I love this for me. I'm drinking more water, taking care of my skin, taking care of my life. I love this for me. Yeah. But guys, I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys. First of all, I'm tired. No, she's still upstairs. Yeah. Oh, may I text her? Alright, me text her. Huh? Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, the storm. It's a going body over so. So anyways guys, you guys know I recently moved to Kingston, and I got a lamp, some well, I'm not just move to Kingston, but I didn't I have these things in St. Thomas. I didn't take any, and I figured as an adult it's good to have. We have young kids in the home, so I got one of those home sweet home lamp. Guys, me never know, so I said it name. I'm alone, but growing up my granny did just tell me say our Christmas lamp, but apparently it actually named home sweet home lamp. Like my manager that tell me say home sweet home are the brand. Like blew my mind. I got a flashlight, some batteries, some matches, and some kerosene oil, because you know we have children, and if we're going to be without electricity, we want to be comfortable. I am heading home now. I already have gas, already have food in the house, so we will be fine. Gonna head home now. We have water, we have stuff to drink, we have fruits. We'll be okay. Not gonna spend any unnecessary money on anything. So guys, I'm gonna catch you when I am home. All right, bye. Good morning, my love. How are y'all doing today? Today is Tuesday. It's the day before the hurricane, allegedly. And I'm late for work because I just got here at 8:30. Work starts at 8:30. Yeah, but I don't need 30, so might as well just go and look updates since I didn't take up the camera yesterday. Yesterday when I went home, I cooked and then I fell asleep. Yeah, so I'm late. Today we're at work. Today is supposed to be some kind of hurricane preparation, covering systems and getting systems in place for the hurricane and stuff like that. And then after, I need to get just a few things. I don't have any yam, and you guys know I got my grandma with me and she love our yam, so yeah, I'm gonna go get yam, probably some sweet potatoes, just some little ketchup. I know I said yesterday I don't really need anything. I don't really need anything, but I do want to be comfortable for the hurricane, and that's why I went and got stuff yesterday, because I don't want to be in the darkness. My sister doesn't like the darkness. I have a 6-month-old brother that lives with me. He will not like the darkness. This is the first time they are both experiencing something like this. They've never been in a hurricane. I have, and I know what it's like. I know what it was like as a child. And my grandma did always have our wallpaper home sweet home lamp for all our room, everywhere, and it just made the experience that much more comfortable. Guys, I do want to have like sit down videos and talk with you, so if you're up to that, just drop some video ideas in, or what you would like to hear me talk about in the comments. I'm still gonna make that like buying your first car in Jamaica bank route video. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put it up for you guys to watch. Guys, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember for subscribe, like the video. If you're watching and you have not yet liked, yeah, get me upset. Like the video. I didn't mean to be so rough. Please like the video, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna go to work now. But I didn't want to snap to this one song, so I'm gonna snap to the song. Of course, it's me. What are you talking about? I'm gonna snap to the song, and then I'm gonna head upstairs. I'm already late. Might as well. I'm already late. So guys, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll see you guys soon. Yeah. Hi guys, it's Tuesday afternoon. I'm crazy because I have a headache. It's the day before Hurricane Beryl. I am as prepared as I'm ever gonna be. I have all my devices charged. Guys, I don't have a power bank. I'm not even gonna stress myself. Don't wanna take it. Let's just not get into that. I had a power bank, don't anymore. I just lied. And me never did I go buy one. I feel like that's unnecessary. I don't even really use my phone like that. I have 2 phones. They're charged. My iPad is charged. I have a small little mini fan that is charged. My laptop is charged. My camera battery is charged, just in case I'm still gonna continue the vlog. I'm gonna try my best. We have lights, we have lamp, we have kerosene, we have gas in our cylinder for the stove, we have food in the fridge, we have enough water, both drinking water, and we caught water. I just actually finished coming from outside to fill all the buckets that we have, the drum that we have around the back, and some big bottles. And we had 12, well, I think 14 buckets, and the buckets and the bottles combined were 12, and we have a drum, and that will last us, guys. Remember, we have young kids, we have a baby, yeah, so we need to make sure that we're the most comfortable seeing that he's so young and he's going through this for the very first time, when we as adults can, you know, children are different. My sister herself is afraid of the dark, so I made sure that there's lots of lights. I charge them. I charge the water dispenser because we don't know how long we're going to be out of light and water for, which I'm hoping it's not long. We did not overbuy or overspend, which is very important because we had already gone to the supermarket. So like I said, guys, it was just a little top up. I went and I got some market stuff, got a little chicken so that we can cook chicken tomorrow when it's a storm and be like comfortable. I do have a headache, that's why you see me with the pill. I'm just gonna take the pill, and I do have like sweets if anybody in the house feels bad, because you know I have my mom and my grandma with me, and I also have like a ring pop for my sister. Let me say, we just want to be the most comfortable going through this experience. We do have some games if we're going to play a game tomorrow if we get bored or sleep, but you know you can't really sleep all day. There's not gonna be much to do. So we have bingo and we have Ludi. We're gonna be playing that. We have snacks for the kids. We have, well, for Zai, and we have, my brother has everything that he needs, so I think we'll be fine. For right now, I'm just gonna unwind. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna play some game. I'm gonna watch some movies. I'm gonna try to get rid of this headache and just try to be as relaxed as possible. God is in control. But guys, just before that, I don't know if you guys like when I do my devotional with you, and actually I didn't get to read my verse today. I didn't get to read the story either, so I'm just find that. So like I said, guys, I'm not spiritual, I'm not a Christian, none of that. Yeah, and none of that. I'm just feeling a lot of urges lately to just reflect on the word and try to understand the word. So today is July 2nd, and the word for today is a national camp out. And let me just get the text. It is from Leviticus 23 verse 40, and it says, "Rejoice before the Lord your God for 7 days." And the story is, we camped under the stars with nothing between us and the infinite West African sky. No need for a tent in the dry season, but the fire was crucial. Never let the fire go out, Dad said, prodding the legs with a stick. Fire kept wildlife at a distance. God's creatures are wonderful, but you never want a leopard or a snake meandering through your campsite. Dad was a missionary to Ghana's upper region, and he had a knack for turning everything into a teaching moment. Camping was no exception. God used campouts as a teaching point for his people too. Once a year, for an entire week, the Israelites were to live in shelters made of branches from luxuriant trees, from palms, willows, and other leafy trees. And that text can be found in Leviticus 23 verse 40. The purpose was twofold. God told them, all native-born Israelites are to live in such shelters, so your descendants will know that I had the Israelites live in temporary shelters when I brought them out of Egypt. That is verses 42 to 43. But the event was also to be festive. Rejoice before the Lord your God for 7 days. Camping may not be your idea of fun, but God instituted a one-week campout for the Israelites as a joyful way to recall his goodness. We easily forget the meaning at heart of our holidays. Our festivals can be joyous reminders of the character of our loving God. He created fun too. Oh, that's so interesting. Oh, and the prayer is, Father, thank you for the fun you've put in your creation and in your festivals. And the verse is, this is the day that the Lord has made, let us rejoice and be glad in it. And that is Psalm 118 verse 24. We can just focus. Yeah. Wow. I don't know if it's just me, but I always just feel so refreshed But guys, the way I'm preparing, I'm just loading games on like my devices. I'm getting some Netflix use. Like I said, I don't have a power bank, but my laptop lasts very long, so I know that I'll be able to like charge my stuff on my laptop. Let me see what my Sabbath school quarterly is saying, because like I said, I'm Seventh-day Adventist. Not really, but that's my preferred faith. And I'm just going to look for the verse, because that's all I have time for right now. Probably do the rest later. I'm not finding the verse. Okay, the verse is Mark 1:1-8. Let me just see. Okay, I'm gonna do that later. But guys, like I said, I'm just gonna, I think I need to charge the battery that's in this the camera, but I do have this battery that is already charged. Yeah, and I'm gonna take the painkiller. Yeah, guys, only God can help us at this point. Yeah guys, so it's saying the hurricane is south. I'm using Google Maps to track it, by the way. So Hurricane Beryl is south of Dominican Republic. So yeah, let's see like what tomorrow is gonna be like. This is my first hurricane as an adult, and I was watching on Instagram where people are saying like that's why they feel like they're unprepared or they don't know what it's like, because our parents normally did the prep for us, but this time around we have to do it for ourselves, and I think I did a pretty good job. I had to be the one to remind my mom like a lot of things, so I don't think it was bad. I tried my best. But guys, I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. Also, the reason why I didn't take up the camera, I was actually working. I had a TikTok to make for a company, and I didn't want like the light going away to affect it because it's due in one day. I had some delays with packaging and stuff, with shipping the package and stuff, so I was on a time crunch, so I just did that, get that out of the way. I'm waiting for it to be approved so I can just post it on TikTok. I don't think it's one of my best works, but considering it's the best it's gonna get, I mean, it's not bad, but I feel like it's not the vision that I had for it. It's not the vision that I had for it. Guys, I'm just checking on the job. Okay, yeah, but guys, I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all later. Okay, be safe. I hope everybody is prepared as much as possible. I know life's hard and whatever, but you know guys, try to be safe. If you know well, this is after the fact, but I'm just hoping that awareness is spread and everybody know where the shelters are and everybody gets safe and to higher ground, because you know there'll probably be flooding. If you know your neighbor not safe, and we just hope everybody gets home, hope everybody have food, have drinking water. We just hope it just come and gone and everybody just alright, and the disaster just keep on a minimum and everything just good is my prayer for us all. Like, God will do it. He's done it before, he'll do it again. No matter what it is, he will carry it through. So I'm not even worry myself. I don't know why I'm getting emotional, but this is what's been happening every time that I've been talking like to God or about God. I always just break down and I'm like I'm seeing all the signs and whatever. I'm looking for a church to go to. I haven't found any because I haven't been putting any effort to it because I'm scared. What the heck? I am so scared. I don't know what is happening, like what is he leading me to, like how, I don't understand, but I trust him and I've been trusting him, having faith and just like telling myself that God will never leave me or forsake me, because that's what he said in the scripture and I believe in the Bible. But you know, it's life and everything is a process. It's just everything is a process and it does take time, so I'm just giving myself grace and yeah, we'll be okay. Signing out for now. See you guys later. Alright, hi guys, good morning. It is Wednesday. It's the day of the hurricane and I don't know why I choose to like start about the channel for a weekly vlog for a hurricane day. I'm sorry, but it's in tune because my vlog them always a little bit chaotic. But I woke up like sometime now. It's now 8:13. We still have electricity, still have water. The rain barely a fall. Is it gonna like allow me to show you guys? 8:14, if you can focus. Yeah, 8:14. I'm currently watching Criminal Minds, guys. The skin is skinning. It's giving glass skin. I'm gonna give you guys a skincare routine in a few clips down. Like when I get ready, I'm gonna do a daytime one and a nighttime one because it's slightly different. And I'm not gonna show no why. I'm not to wash my face yet and the skin looks so good. Dark spot aside, which I'm in the process of getting rid of, my skin looks good. Yeah guys, but rain barely fall. We're not really feeling the wind, but the rain did start fall from last night about 12 AM because we never gone sleep yet and rain did start fall them time there. But it's not no strong rains or winds yet. I did look on the bulletin them and everything. Right now Google I say the storm quite reach, but why not now focus? Yeah, so it's close by us, like very close. But it I should say 2 PM it's gonna line up perfect. But I'm just here, I'm chilling, I have everything charged and ready. Just done eat some corned beef sandwich. I know I'm watching Criminal Minds. It's not bad. Like last night was cool, right now it's cool. Still have the fan on and stuff, but you know, it's not hot. The sun is not shining. Outside is very bleaky. Rain Drew, right now there's no rain at all, like no rain. But yeah, we'll just wait and see. We're under curfew 6 AM to 6 PM, so yeah. But guys, I'm gonna check in with you guys later. Of course I have my camera batteries charged because vlogging is a must. I know I miss me missing it too, and it's July. I started on the 1st of July because you know I want a fresh start. I want about my channel, I want about my people, I want about my community. I want to go back to what I had, you know. I know you know. But guys, I'm gonna catch you guys later, okay? Hi guys, just a check-in. Guys, I'm not experiencing this that much, which I'm not sad about. Right now they are cooking some fried chicken and some rice, some breakfast, some string beef, pepper down. When I look outside, the sky dark and everything, but the rain is like will not give hurricane, which I'm very happy about. The wind now win, but I've been seeing what's happening on social media and it now looks good. On the other side, them, you know, I'm from St. Thomas, so my prayers are with St. Thomas all the time, and St. Thomas nah do so well, but nah lie. But where I am at right now in Kingston, the rain probably it just has sound a little bit heavier. But I'm gonna try to show you outside. But you know, coming up on the main, and there's not a view. There's not much of a view. All of the mountains covered, but I'm still gonna try to show you guys. Yeah, but there, man, watch me look a movie, Criminal Minds, that I've been watching from morning. And yeah, we're under the cooking. With all of my buying, me forgot to never have no sugar, so I have time, but I can't be natural juice because I know I'm on a little healthier kind of journey. I want to cut out the artificial things then, so you know, well, no, but yeah, I've been doing that, but I'm not going to be able to make my natural juice. Sorry, because I don't have enough sugar. Yeah, but we're all okay. Sister is fine, my brother is fine, my mom is fine, everybody's fine, and yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Hi everybody. Excuse the darkness, I'm gonna put this over here, so yeah. It is currently 7:57 p.m. We saw the rain, we saw the wind. Excuse me, tear up Marina. I'm trying to just take a shower. I didn't even do any skincare yet. I'm gonna lay down and watch The Mole on Netflix. But guys, I wanna know, do y'all watch The Mole on Netflix and do you like it? Cause I do. I'm watching season 1. Yeah, but anyways, let's come to good give you an update. I just ate some of my curry chicken and rice, and when I was finished I took a shower. Right now currently I have that light that my workplace loaned me, so yeah, I have that light there. But I mean, I think if I turn on my bedroom light, yeah, it does come on, but I'm not using my bedroom light because it's hot. I don't know, my mom bought these bulbs and put them all around the house, like even before the talk of hurricane we use them, so all our rooms have bulbs that work when the light is gone, but we're not using them. They do draw heat, so I'm just using that tiny light. Right now I have my windows open because of course we don't have electricity. My phones, I have one phone on 83% and the other one on 76%. The light went like 2:10 p.m. about that time, and then shortly afterwards we're experiencing the rain and the winds and all of that. My car is okay, I checked on it, been checking on it. Yeah, so just waiting on this thing here to pass. I'm gonna relax. Don't know if I'll be able to sleep because really and truly I can't. I don't know if I'm gonna be hot, that's why I opened the windows, but yeah. But guys, that's the update. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow, and tomorrow is Thursday, so yeah, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Okay, excuse my missing nails, I'm trying to get them all off. Yeah, but guys, I'm gonna see y'all. Okay, hi guys, good morning. It is Friday and I'm late for work, but I'm just washing my hair. Guys, you see the growth? This is 1 year of growth. I just wash my hair, I'm gonna comb it and then come back to show you guys my daytime skincare routine and then get dressed and show out. So alright guys, so we're gonna do the skincare real quick because I'm late. Alright, so the first thing I do is use my niacinamide brightening toner. It's this from Good Molecules. I already cleansed, so yeah, and I use a cotton pad and I just shake out a little That's enough. And I wipe my skin. You guys might hear her give me a fight, but I think it looks good enough. So make sure you wipe around your eyes. Make sure you wipe under your chin and your neck. Very important that you don't forget your neck, because my neck is black because I used to do skincare but forget it. So I'm trying to fix that. Yeah, but give it a good clean, and I wipe again with the other side. And I just want to give it a good clean. Then you need this dry and to soak in. I'm then gonna go in with my discoloration correcting serum because I do have some dark spots. So this is the discoloration correcting serum from Good Molecules. I love Good Molecules. And I just I'm gonna put some on my neck. We're gonna allow this to set into the skin as well. Normally I would sit in front of the fan or something, but for the interest of time, because like I said, I'm kind of late. I'm gonna just do that. Then I am using the Ordinary hyaluronic acid. I love it because it always just gives me a glowy finish. So you're gonna allow those to seep into the skin. Allow those to seep into the skin, and then I'm gonna go in with my lightweight daily moisturizer from Good Molecules. And see if I could. Okay. So yeah. Then I use my Black Bear sunscreen 30 broad spectrum SPF because it's the necessary step that we must not skip. I think I used too much. Wait. And I just rub it in good. And those are the products that I use for skincare. It's simple. I want to use the xoxo. I haven't gotten it yet, and like a La Roche Posay cleanser because those are very good brands, and I want to try it out for the dark spots. I don't really have a lot of pimple problems. I'm seeing changes, like the differences, and most of these I got for free. Like, I got these two for free, thanks to Bestie. And these two came in a PR package, and this came in a PR package as well. So it's for free. The only thing I paid for is the Canva. Perks of being a content creator. Love it. Yeah, well, otherwise, just put it in good. Yeah, and I'm done. Hold on, guys. I have the overnight exfoliating treatment, and I only use this 3 times a week, or I'm supposed to use it 3 times a week. I haven't used it in a while. I don't really do much skincare at night, even though yeah, I'm asking something. I mean, I don't use baby oil instead of lotion. Like, I started using this year, like baby oil instead of lotion, and I just love it. I'm not going back. You see how much baby oil is left in this? Yeah, I'm not going back. I love it. I stay moisturized for much longer. My perfumes stay on much longer. Like, look at the code. I really feel look at the code. Look at the code. Guys, one of them make it to work with 6 minutes to spare. 5 now. But head upstairs now. I'm gonna head upstairs now, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. Hope you've been loving the video and all that. Yeah. Yeah. Where's my shoe? My day snap, guys. I never dare use my phone in my drive though, but my day snap. That's cute. I forgot to note for a minute. Guys, I'm going to work now. I'm going upstairs, so I'll see you guys. Hi guys, welcome. Well, today's Friday. I already started vlogging this morning. I'm trying to fix the camera. Anyways, I just came home from work and changed and stuff, but yeah, this is the end of the video. Thanks for spending a week with your girl. Let me know if this is something that you guys are open to, seeing what I do in my weeks. Of course, you know, I'm a corporate 9-to-5 girly and I don't really take the camera in office and all that, but I can show you guys other things. And there are some times that I do travel for work and I can show you guys that. This is my brother. You guys have seen him in previous videos. He's much older now, 7 months yesterday. So yeah, but let me know if that's something you guys will be open to. Also, if you've made it this far in this video, I'm doing a giveaway. I can give away a ebook on how to become a wig influencer. It has over 100 wig vendors in it, what you can say to the vendors, how to find the vendors, when to reach out to them, what time. It has everything down in detail, and all you have to do is like this video, comment, like, follow my Instagram, follow my TikTok, and also comment down below a friend's name, and they also have to like and comment on this video. Yeah, so that's simple. 1 2 3, and I'll be choosing the winner at random on August 1, or should I do it like August 5, since yeah, so I'm gonna do it on August 5th 2024, and I'm gonna announce the winner right here on YouTube. at the end of whatever video that is, as well as on my Instagram. So guys, go crazy, share, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, follow me on Instagram at xoxo. Follow me on TikTok at xoxo with two, no, xoxo and at xoxo with 2 E's. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Say bye, Zuri. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Bye.